Today, we are going to create a professional email signature, then we will add an Outlook. You can create professional email signature for you businesses. First, go to the website emailsignature.com. Click on Signature Generator. There are lots of cool email signatures to check out. Pick the one that fits your style for work or personal use. I am going to select this template and adding my details into this email signature to make this useful for me. Add your name, company name, logo, and social media links into these. These will make your signature more professional and attractive. After adding your details, click on the button, Apply your signature. Now copy your signature and open your Outlook settings. In Outlook settings option, click on Signature and paste your signature here. After you paste your signature, you are done. Now click on Apply and enjoy your professional signature on your every emails. I hope this video will help you in making your email signature for Outlook, Gmail, Yahoo, or any email. Don't forget to hit like button and subscribe button. Thank you.